I don't know. I don't know. I think we're live. I'm fairly certain we're live, but I don't know if there's a delay or not. Anyway, we're just gonna get into this. We're just gonna jump into this. We're just gonna jump into this. My name's Vote for Real Clown, and you see me on such films as I Like the Vibe Code. Uh, So for my kind of introductory demo today, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to work on my new project system. And so inside of the new project system, um, I've basically grabbed this new model called Trinity Large. And so what I'm going to do is we're going to run this model and we're going to see if it improves our project system. So we're just going to ask open code here to please review the code in the folder and let us know what we have. And so in the folder, why did it go no endpoints? Oh, you pig. Well, already puked. Already puked. That's not very nice. Already an epic fail here. Mm, will this give us what we want? I don't think it will, but this will. Oh, sorry. I'll switch you guys over to the command prompt so you can follow along. And then we'll run our open code command here. Switch back. There we go. Let's try this again. Let's try this again. Just see, make sure this works first. How's the big pickle? Yep, let you guys see a little better. Hey, big pickle. Okay, let's see if this works here. Why are you looking through folders now, you bozo? Oh, you finished? Oh, it probably finished. Oh, it did the. Oh, you know what? This endpoint was probably late. Yeah, let's see what this does. No endpoint. Why isn't that working? Why isn't that working? Oh, I picked the wrong one. I picked the wrong one. This is the one I have configured. This one isn't working. Anyway, okay, let's just make a new chat and a new session. Yeah. Okay, so we do have the new model now. So please review contents of folder and tell me about application. Do 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 as we wait. Is it doing anything even or what? What are you doing? Are you doing anything? Can you not see the context? Or what? Hello? Hi? Hi? What files? This might be a fail. Maybe it can't see it. I think something wrong here. As my very first coding live stream, this is not a very good job here. But that's okay. No reasoning allows text. See if Kimmy can see it. You no pay. Okay, let's go back up here. Oh, do my man. Okay, well, anyway, while we're here, let's just do some actual work instead of just playing with models. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, what's in the folder? So it lists me the folder. Um, please review the application for functionality and tell me what it does. So basically, it tells us that it creates standard project folders designed for AI assisted, right? Now, one of the things that it doesn't do that I want it to do is it doesn't create me an agents folder. And I want it to make me an agents.md. So, can we can we please make the following changes? What folder? I want to make sure. Yeah. Better spell right. Okay, so I want to make it so it is more robust in making the readme.md readme spec md and agents.md. So I just want to stop here for a second and just say that we do something called, and this is spec driven development. So inside our spec, what we do is we actually more or less tell the agents very loosely what platforms we want to use, what kind of authentication, all these different things. So then that way down the road, um, we can kind of bring this all together. And the agent doesn't run wild, or it doesn't all of a sudden, when you're not very clear with the agent, it still has a context or like a software language or like a structure or a scaffold to back into. So, but what I want to do is I want to build this out and make it more robust today. I want it to make sure it uses Python development. Please don't include Rust. The other day it was doing some Rust or Docker. No Docker, guys. Okay, so um, please think of more questions to ask up front. Get a better set of documentation before we proceed with application develop application build. What questions should we ask? I suggest additional questions. Okay, so yes. Oh, is there that it? Oh, well, let me do it anymore. Hmm. Hmm. So what we're gonna do now is get it to ask me a web form. Oh, sorry, I didn't realize that this is kind of silly here. It's up just a bit. There we go. That's probably better for you guys. That's probably better. That's probably better. I'm just gonna sign into the account here. I just jumped on here, so I doubt anybody's watching, but you never know. Hey, I think we got the chat up. I think we got the chat up. Hey, we got the chat up. Nobody's chatting. Is there anybody in the chat? Nope, just me. Hi. Hi, chat. Anyway, that's done. Computer's still going. Da, 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 da. Mm, mm. Still rolling. So now if we wanted to, while we were waiting, we could flip over, but oh, it's giving me a syntax. We'll fix it. Spacing. Spacing. Just wonder what, am I on the right server? Yeah. Live stream, just a quiet one though. I gotta figure out how to put some music on. Do 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 do. Still going. We wait. Oh, what's this all about? Hmm. The new project directories aren't going in the right spot. I gotta fix that. You go ahead and rewrite the whole API section. I don't care. So there we go. So it basically did all those changes that we wanted, but we're still not done. There's something else I wanted to. Thank you so much for fixing that for me. Hmm. Mm. See what it says here. I'm getting a little philosophical on it, but so yeah. So we're just vibe coding away here. So as soon as this kicks us back to us, we're gonna go ahead and run the test and we'll see how it works. Vibe coding as long as boring. Come on, let's go. What are we waiting for? We waiting for me? No, it's working. It's working. I'm gonna delete this session. Oops. Maybe we don't want to do that. Ah, I break that? Did I break it? Did you break it? Oh, sorry. We're just waiting here. Ah, I think it's going. I think it's going. Yeah, it's still going. Should we stop it? Do we stop it? See what this thing does if we run this. Project title is new spec driven. The project mission to have better code. Uh, we want a web application. Uh, target developers. Feature. Give AI rules. I don't care. Um, let's use SQLite. Connect to bug tracker on port 5000. No authentication. No sensitive data. And we want to do local. Fucking Docker. We don't want to see the word Docker anywhere. What do I say? One and two. Oh. Test user. Valid specifier. What? You asshole. Are you still working or are you done? No, we don't even know. Anyway, here's how you cheat. Oh, maybe it was still working and we missed it. So here's the best part about this too, is you just go over here and you're like, oh, I got an error. But then I can't get the error to paste. Fix your shit. Oh, sorry. You allowed to say that? Fix your shit. Oh, F string contained unescaped braces. Sure. The old F string contained unescaped braces. Is this boring? You guys tell me in the chat if this is boring. See if we're actually online or if my voice works. Maybe my voice doesn't even work. Hey. Oh, maybe it's on, maybe it's not. I don't hear myself. Oh, never mind. I heard myself. Well, it worked for him. Ooh. Yay. Yay. Linting rules strictness. I don't even know what that would be. Load requirements, no. Path resolution. String, no, no, nice, 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 nice. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright. No, I think we're happy. Let's test it again. What the fuck? Project title, YouTube. Spec. Driven. I want to test my application to see how good the docs are. Devs. Code features. Um, test my app. I don't care. I gotta take this out. This is stupid. SQLite. External bug tracker. Port 5000. No authentication. No sensitive data. Target is local. Oh, there it is. So what's my folder? YouTube. Hey. So then if we go in here, hey. Nice. Okay, so that looks all good. And then if we go into our source, or sorry, if we go into our specs and we go into our agents, so here is all the agent stuff. And here is our spec. Um, if anybody wants this code, I'll take and put it up in GitHub. Just drop it in the comments. I'm not going to go through and process it in case anybody asks. I think she's working, guys. Have a great day out there. Bye for